Today we are going to learn what is if function or how to perform if function in Microsoft Excel. Basically, the if function in Microsoft Excel is a powerful and very versatile tool that allows you to make decisions and perform calculations based on specific conditions. It is often used to create conditional statements in Excel sheets. This is our data. We want to use the if function on this. Let me put the if formula here, and I am going to apply the if condition on this data, and I want to check the status of students who are failed or passed. So I will create a condition according to the total marks obtained by these students. Now let me create the if function, equal sign, and then if this value is more than, for example, 200 marks, then it should return a pass word or pass value, comma, or return me fail status of the student. Then closing the brackets and press the enter button. Now here you can see that the marks of this students, this student are less than 250. That's why it returned the failed, the fail status. Now I want to drag this formula to apply this to other students also. You can see that wherever the marks are more than 50, it returns a pass value, and 373, for example, the value is more than 250, so it created or it returned a pass value. So my friends, this is how we apply, or we do how to apply the if condition. So this was how we apply if condition. My friends, if you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful videos.